Check this out. Every cleaning company has many disruptions. A million things can go wrong with every cleaning, and that's not your fault. Welcome to the cleaning industry. Think of it this way. Every new client has a $900 average lifetime value. What does that number mean? Think of it this way. If you charge on average $250 per cleaning, even if the customer does not become a recurring customer, they are very well likely to come back and use your service again, around 3 to 5 times on average. Losses are part of the game. Refunds, discounts are not fun to give, but it protects your online reputation. So don't be afraid of making mistakes or disruptions. Be brave. You can do this. And if you're finding this helpful, like and subscribe, or head to mademillionaires.com to get more. Links below.